Welcome to Creative Creations. My name is Aisha Hughes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create block posters. Now, posters are a great way to spice up any space, but they can be very expensive. Block posters are a cost-effective alternative. Now, some of you may be wondering what exactly a block poster is. And basically, it's an image that has been blown up and then sliced into standard paper size sections that will then be pieced back together after printing. Here's an example of a block poster I created for my door. Now, block posters are great for dorms and other places where there are a lot of limitations on what you can do to the walls. Depending on the size of the poster and when you have them printed, they can cost no more than $10. Now, before we get started showing you how to create block posters, here's a list of the things that you're going to need to get started. You'll need pictures, glue dots, or some other adhesive to attach your poster to the wall, a printer or a printing place, Photoshop, and your creativity.
The first thing you want to do is to have the image you want to use open up in Photoshop. You can use pictures of yourself, family members, celebrities, or even a collage of pictures would work. It's completely up to you. I'm not going to do really any editing to my picture, but I am going to make it black and white. I'm going to do this for two reasons. One being that I like black and white pictures better than colored ones, and another being that it'll be cheaper when I print my poster out if it is in black and white. Again, it's up to you though, so it can be left in color. In order to change my picture into black and white, I'm going to go up to Adjustments, then Black and White, and then click OK. Right now I'm okay with the way my picture looks, so I'm going to get started slicing it into sections. I want my poster to be 5 pages across by 5 pages down. This means that my poster will end up being around 42 inches in width and 55 inches in height. This is just based on the fact that the paper size will be 8.5 by 11 inches. Now before we get started, you want to make sure you have your rulers on. Then this will make it easier to slice your image down more accurately. To put your rulers on in Photoshop, you want to go up to View and select Rulers, or you can push Ctrl. I noticed that my picture in Photoshop is around 6.5 inches in width. Since I want my poster to be 5 pages in width when I print it out, I want to take this width and divide it by 5, which means that I need to add a slice about every 1.3 inches. In order to do that, I want to go up to View, and then I want to go to New Guide. Once this pops up, I want to make sure I have vertical selected, and I want to input 1.3 inches and press OK.
And you'll see now that you have your first slice, and you want to go back up to View, New Guide, and the next one you want it to be 2.6 inches, and you want to push OK. And then again you have your second slice, and you want to keep doing this until you slice the whole way across vertically through your whole image. As you see, I've completely sliced my image vertically, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the horizontal slices. The process is going to be pretty much the same. I see that my image is about 9 inches. It might be a little bit more, a little less. So I'm going to go and divide that by 5, and it'll be a slice about every 1.8 inches. So I'm going to go up to View, I'm going to go to New Guide, and make sure you switch it from vertical to horizontal so that your slices are going in the opposite direction. And once again, you want to input where you want the slice to be, and there you see it pops up. And you're going to continue on doing this until you slice your whole way down horizontally. Okay. I'm now finished slicing my image, and as you can see, it's sliced into a bunch of rectangular slices, and each rectangular section will be printed off into its own separate page. So these will all be separate pages that you will have once you have your image printed out. So once you have your slice tool selected, you want to go up to the top and you want to put slice from guides. You want to press that button, and then this new grid will show up, so that each separate rectangular slice will be saved as its own picture as opposed to the whole image being saved as one. So in order to do that, you want to go up to File and you want to go to Save for Web. And this screen will pop up, and then you want to get onto the bottom and you want to push Save, and then you want to choose where you want this to be saved at, and it will save as a file folder. So I'm just going to title mine as Block Posters and press Save.